Struggling with English? Since 2010, Parrots English has been helping students across Asia gain skills, confidence, and brighter futures. With us, you can study anytime, anywhere, and enjoy every step as your English skills and confidence grow.
From kids starting their English journey to professionals aiming for career success, we've got you covered. Our lessons are made to help you build real confidence for exams, job interviews, and everyday conversation.
Learn online anytime, anywhere through Zoom or Tencent meeting with high-quality lessons made just for you. Simple, enjoyable, and truly effective. That's the Parrots English way. Ready to speak English with confidence? We're here for you.
Your priorities are our priorities.
That is why every lesson is made for your success. Start your language journey with us today.